Hey friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make these delicious pan-fried potatoes. This is a great potato side dish recipe. You can also serve them as breakfast potatoes in the morning. Let's get started. We're using gold potatoes for this recipe and I've gone ahead and peeled the potatoes. I'm going to thinly slice each potato, just like that. Make sure the slices aren't too thin or too thick, okay guys? Once the potatoes are all sliced up, we're going to start cooking them. I have my cast iron skillet heating up over medium heat. I'm going to drizzle in some olive oil and then toss in some butter. I'm going to cook the butter until it melts into the oil, then I'm adding the sliced potatoes. I went ahead and sliced up an onion. I'm going to toss that in with the potatoes, then mix everything together. Next, we're going to season the potatoes with some spices. We're using dried parsley, adobo seasoning, paprika, garlic powder, dried thyme, cayenne pepper, salt, and black pepper. I'm going to add all the spices to the potatoes, then toss everything together. Once the spices have mixed in very well with the potatoes, we're going to saute everything on medium heat for 5 minutes. While the potatoes are cooking for 5 minutes, make sure you stir them in periodically, that way they don't burn. Each time you stir them in, you're going to place a lid over them and leave them to cook for a few seconds. Take the lid off and stir them in again, that way they don't burn. You're going to repeat the process of covering and stirring the potatoes until the 5 minutes are up. The next thing we're going to do is add some chicken broth to the potatoes. Mix it in gently. The potatoes have started softening up, so you want to be gentle, that way they don't break. And then you're going to turn your heat down to low heat. Place a lid over the potatoes and let them smother in the sauce for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, stir them in and check the softness if it's to your liking. If they aren't soft enough, smother them for an extra 2 minutes or until they're as soft as you want them. And here are the potatoes when they're all done. These are deliciously smothered skillet potatoes. They're so flavorful. I like mine super soft, so I smothered them a little longer. These skillet potatoes can be enjoyed for breakfast. They make really good breakfast potatoes with some eggs on the side. You can also enjoy them as a side for roasted chicken or steak. If you guys would like to make these skillet potatoes, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements. Thank you for watching. Bye!